What is smart opt-in and how to use the smart opt-in inside of Klaviyo? Our Klaviyo champion Bobi first will explain you what a smart opt-in is, and second he will walk you through step by step how to set it up and use it in your Klaviyo account for your brand. We do ask you to support our channels by liking this video, subscribing to channels, and please also ask your questions below in this video. We do read all of them and respond to them.
So another new thing from Klaviyo is a smart opt-in signups for SMS subscribers, and this is making it much easier for SMS subscribers to become SMS subscribers. I will show you how this is happening. So yeah, let me start by showing you how to set this up. There are two ways. You can start from scratch by creating a form and then clicking here on the smart opt-in, picking the form, and just let's name it for now 00 test smart opt-in, and then let's say we link it to SMS subscribers. So how is this different from what we have in the other SMS opt-in? By the way, this can also add, it doesn't necessarily need to be just for SMS, it can be for email too, but in this case it's for SMS only. How to do it is when people add their number, you can see here that they can leave their number and everything, and then when they click sign up, they will be led to this page, and what will happen is they will receive a code on their mobile phone. So when they leave their email, when they leave their phone number, they will receive a code on their phone that they will be able to input here. If they're using this, if they're doing this from their mobile device, from Android or iOS, the code that they receive will automatically fill here in Klaviyo. So they literally just need to add their phone number, they will open this page. As soon as they receive the code, this will automatically be filled and they can click sign up. And this is much easier than asking the clients to go and message yes or like whatever we have as a sign up word for SMS for this account. It is making it easier for people to become SMS subscribers, and this is also because SMS almost always requires a two-way authentication. So first you need to leave your SMS and then you need to kind of confirm it. They're kind of making it this two-in-one to be done directly in the form. So you're leaving your SMS and then you're immediately in the same form, you're confirming it with just one click. If people are viewing this on the desktop, the thing that they will have to do is to manually input the code that they receive on their mobile device, but still it's easier to just input the number than texting something. The important thing to mention is that when people receive this code, basically they will be receiving an SMS from Klaviyo saying your verification code is, and then the number that will be for your verification. This is just example. It wouldn't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is how this works. This is how to create it from the start. Also, I will show you how we can do this on existing form, but let me try to find some form that is in draft. Okay, so let me clone this. Again, just to make sure that I'm not editing a form that we already need to be using for something else. So this is the form that we have. I will delete this, and remember I cloned the form, so I'm not causing any trouble for the account. So we have the email opt-in, and let's say now we want to add SMS opt-in, but we don't want simple SMS opt-in, we want the smart SMS opt-in. So what we need to do is go to add step, go to SMS opt-in, and then pick the first option, which is smart opt-in. Let's see, we need to specify which list this should subscribe to, and then add it. And then automatically, as you can see, it's the form that is added here. This is telling us where to subscribe people and everything, and then automatically this is also added as additional step to the form. They need to be edited, but the main thing is that this thing is added automatically to the form where people will need to enter their code that they're receiving. And of course the designers can edit things around, they're just not supposed to remove things because all of these things are important in case people input the wrong code, or in case they don't receive a code, they can click get another code or resend, and as I said, the important thing for this is when people are receiving these codes, they are being sent directly from Klaviyo, short code, and this will not count towards the credits for the account. So no matter if people click 10 times recent, the account won't be charged with additional credits because these are not counted as marketing SMS messages. When these messages are sent and people open them and everything, we won't see them as received SMS or something like that because they are totally sent from a different account, not from this specific account that we are working on. That is all set. Here is also the article. It's quite long article. It's about how to set it up in different cases, how it works and everything. You can read it to see if something is maybe gets more clear to you. But if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask. I think it's a good way of collecting SMS. In case you want to use it, it's not necessary, it's just a new feature that we can use. But yeah, that would be it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.
Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today.
Hey, if you're watching this and you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the bell because it helps us grow our channel.